Physicool is a reusable cooling bandage that gives cooling, compression and support instantly. No need for refrigeration. You simply take it out of the packet, squeeze it, apply it to the arm, leg, and it will start reacting with the air to provide cooling. Now it works by pulling the heat away, not trying to drive the cold in. So it's bringing blood to the area, which helps to speed up the healing. It's reusable. After a couple of hours, the bandage will dry out. You just top it up with a bit of its spray and ready to go again. Physicool is used by everybody, old and young, but we're having particular success with post-surgery after orthopaedic work, arthritis conditions where there's a lot of inflammation in a limb, because the ideal thing with Physicool is it's easy to apply, even one-handed, and it gets a good conformity to the limbs. There's no lumps and bumps and pressure points which you would have with traditional ice packs. Also, you can use Physicool for 2 to 3 hours, top it back up and continue using it.
I believe in England and Wales last year, approximately 80,000 knee replacements were performed. Knee replacement is most commonly performed for osteoarthritis of the knee. There are other conditions which can result in knee replacement. There is quite a bit of pain and discomfort, so we do everything we can in order to reduce the patient's pain, therefore allowing them to mobilise and get the knee moving as quickly as possible. I contacted Physicool directly and set up a study at Dorset County Hospital and compared them against our existing cooling products that we used. In our trial, we proved that the Physicool group had a 50% increased range of movements on both the first and second post-operative days. In their pain scores, we showed that they had a 50% reduction in pain on both the first and second post-operative days. But due to the success we've had with the Physicool bandage after knee replacement surgery, we have looked at other areas that we could use it. This includes trauma, and particularly patients with broken ankles who are often have to wait a few days prior to surgery because of swelling, and we're going to look at whether the Physicool bandage will help reduce the swelling, therefore the patient can get their operation quicker.
I got my injury playing netball when I twisted and fell heavily on my knee and tore the cartilage. I had an operation and I used Physicool to take away the swelling. I found a lot of benefits using Physicool. It took away the swelling and the pain. I definitely recommend Physicool to my friends. I
would thoroughly recommend the use of the Physicool bandage. Not only is it easy for the patients to apply, it's great when they go home, and our results show that it performs better than our standard cooling method, and also it's actually a lot cheaper for the hospitals to supply.